So today I'm talking about a P0841 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P0841 code? Well, it's a transmission fluid pressure sensor switch A circuit range performance. And so what does this mean? Well, basically transmissions have this fluid pressure sensor that's just reporting back to the computer what the fluid pressure is. But when you get this P0841 code, the computer's seeing some kind of problem with this. And so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0841 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is low or overfilled transmission fluid. If the transmission fluid is not at the correct level, then that's going to cause problems. So the first thing to go and do, if possible, is to go check the transmission fluid and be sure it is at the correct level. Many vehicles nowadays, they no longer let you check the transmission fluid, so there won't be no dipstick. You won't be able to check it. But if you can go and check it, it's a good idea to be sure it's at the correct level. The next thing that might cause problems is really dirty transmission fluid, or the transmission filter became all clogged up. If the transmission fluid's really dirty, or if that filter gets all clogged up, that can throw off the pressure inside the transmission and cause problems. Usually if there is some kind of problem with the fluid, like if it is low, overfilled, the transmission fluid's dirty, or if that filter's all clogged up, then usually you're going to get another code. So for example, you might also get like a P0868 code, transmission fluid pressure low. And so if that is the case, if you are getting other codes like that, then there could be some kind of issue going on with the fluid. Either it's low, it's really dirty, something along those lines. But if you're just getting this P0841 code, that's going to point more to a wiring issue or a bad sensor or something like that. But keep in mind that transmission fluid is very important. If it's low, if it's dirty, or anything going on with it, that can cause problems. And the next things that could cause this problem is either that pressure sensor's gone bad or there's an issue inside the wiring going to the pressure sensor. If there's any problems inside that wiring, there's like an open, there's a short, there's a bad connection, something's going on like this, then that's going to cause problems. So you can go and get wiring diagrams or schematics for your particular vehicle since there is differences, and be sure this is correct. For example, you can get a multimeter, you could check and be sure you're getting voltage, you got a good ground, and that the signal wire going back to the computer, that it's not open or short or anything like this. If that all checks out good, then you can go and test that transmission pressure sensor and be sure it's good. There's some good videos on how you go about testing that sensor. But basically the next things that's going to cause this, and the most likely cause, is going to be that either there's some kind of issue going on inside the wiring or that pressure sensor's just gone bad. And the last thing on the list that might cause this is a bad computer. If there's some kind of issue going on with the computer, like the transmission control module or the powertrain control module, then that is going to cause issues. This isn't too common. It's kind of rare for a computer to go bad, but it does happen sometimes. If you do think it's a bad computer, be sure to check your alternator output. Be sure the control module looks like it's grounded good, because all these computers, they all need a good, stable power supply, or it can throw them off and just cause them to do weird things. So if you do think it's a bad computer, be sure to check the power supply going to it, because the last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0841 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.